Hey, it's Noah Jefferson with eXp Realty, and today we'll be doing a property tour at my new listing here at 1935 San Juan Avenue in Gordon Head. As always, if you have any questions about the listing or if you just want to get in touch with me for anything real estate in Victoria, you can find all my information in the description of this video. This house was incredibly well built and has features that are hard to find in any other home in Gordon Head, so make sure you stay until the end because we'll be going in depth on one of the most spectacular homes Gordon Head has to offer. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, featuring a dramatic entrance into the living room I'm in now, which has soaring 11-foot 2 ceilings. The house itself is just shy of 2,800 square feet on a 10,092 square foot lot. So as we head out of the living room, we're going to skip past the dining room, which we saw earlier in the video, and go straight to the first bedroom on the main floor. This room is 9'1" by 11 feet, and much like all the rooms on the main floor, it gets a lot of light. And right beside it, we have the main floor bathroom. Everything is functional, works as is. The entire house is move-in ready and does have the potential for some modern updates. Now heading into the master bedroom. This is also a very good sized room. This is 14'8" by 13'1" with an 8-foot ceiling. And that window there is also about 8 feet across, and you can't see in the video, but it does have a distant ocean view. Lots of light in here as well. A great feature of the master bedroom is the his and hers closets. And the ensuite is a 3-piece bath. It has just a shower. Now going into the kitchen. As you can see, everything is meticulously maintained. All the cabinets and appliances are from the 70s, so once again, there is potential for some modern updates, but a very spacious kitchen. As you can see, there's a breakfast area there as well, and lots of light in here. Now heading down to the basement, this is where there is the potential for a 1-bedroom suite. As you can see, there's a lot of unfinished square footage down here, and obviously there is some insulation in the rec room here. We would just need some insulation on the concrete as well as some walls put up if you wanted to finish the room. So this room, if the downstairs were to be suited, this would probably belong to the upstairs. That way the upstairs could have a downstairs living room or home theater, and they would also have access to their own laundry. And then further down this hall, you could probably put a door right here if you did want to suite it, and then that would all belong to the suite. But moving in here, we can see there's a very large laundry room. This room is 15 feet by 11 feet and also features a very large crawl space, as you can see. So lots of storage in here, very large laundry room. Now heading down the hall, as you can see, we've got a den here. A den slash workshop. And this room is 9 feet by 10 foot 9. Heading into the downstairs bedroom. Very good sized bedroom. This is 11 foot 6 by 10 foot 9. And as you will see shortly, the downstairs bathroom is quite large. Very good size. And lastly, we will visit the garage. Now, once again, if you wanted to suite the downstairs, then you could turn this area into a kitchen, put some walls up, and get rid of the garage door, put a wall there, possibly even put an entrance in the workshop here. Knock some walls down, open things up. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. And again, if you have any questions about the listing, or if you want to contact me about local real estate, you can find all my information in the description. And if you want to check out another property tour I recently did in Langford, you should find that video on your screen. That's all for me, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.